Welcome to 10 minutes of movement. Let's prime the body for the day. Low impact. Just get started. Twist. Bring the knee up as much as you can. Tired, stiff or sore? We'll take it nice and easy. Really warm up the body. Connect our breath to the movement. We can step back a little bit further. Maybe you twist a little further to the side. Now let's go to the other. Oh, maybe get a nice crack. No chiropractor adjustment needed. All taken care of right here. See if we can't really build some mobility and strength in 10 simple minutes. Arms, just pump them up and down. Loosen up the shoulders. Let's get that heart rate up. Head up high. Bend the knees just a little bit. Maybe you step out just a bit to the sides. We have that nice athletic stance. Real solid base. Arms to the side and bring them in. Squat down just a little bit. Feel that strength that you possess. Yes. Shake the arms out a little bit. Interlace your fingertips behind your back. Bend. Just hinge at the hips. Bend your knees just a little bit. And stretch the arms. Bring them closer to your neck, as close to your neck as possible. Really feel that stretch in the shoulders as we continue to loosen up our back, build that incredible back integrity. You can sort of just shake it back and forth, your arms. Oh yeah, really feel that unlocking something inside your shoulders. And hug that out. Move laterally. You feel that? Oh, I can feel that in the shoulders. That's amazing. The simplest, yet not easy, of exercises can have such a profound effect. Okay. Twist. See if we haven't loosened things up significantly enough to twist a little deeper, but come down with a little bit of a bend in the knees. We're building leg strength in everything we do today, as well as building this amazing mobility. Flow the arms, just side to side, move with awe. Know where to get to, watch the monkey mind. As we are inspired by qigong, yoga's played a huge part of my life. But yoga really isn't about bending and stretching and postures. That's one element of it. It really is just the study of inner energy. Not letting what's outside of us affect what's going on the inside. Can we be joyful all the time, regardless of what's going on outside of us? Oh, let's just shake. Get the circulation flowing. Feel it in the fingertips. Stretch to the side, bring the knee up. This is my Shohei movement. Ooh. Great Japanese baseball player. Ooh. Some wonderful Japanese traditions that help us to connect to that inner energy. Twist a little bit more to the side. Oh, yes. I was definitely feeling stiff and sore this morning. That got my mind going. Oh, come on, I do this every day. I should be better at this, blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay. That's where the practice of yoga comes in. Listening to that inner critic, the inner energy. Ooh, I can place that focus on something else. I can go move my body for 10 minutes and unlock some energy, some inner strength. That's what we're doing here every day. Okay, similar move, but just elbow to knee as best you can. You can possibly bring the hands up to your head and really twist into it, building great core stability in the obliques. So that we bend to pick things up. We feel good and strong. Climb stairs. Whew. Yeah, 5 flights to go up, no problem. The elevator's broken, I can handle that. Ooh. Really stretch it to the side. Okay. Oh, let's just take that for a little bit of a walk. With a bit of pace, swing the arms. Be really intentional about how you swing your arms. Feel it from your fingertips all the way to the tip of your shoulder. Head up. Okay. And so it's a bit of a pop squat, I guess. We're not going to pop up, but we're just going to come on down. And you reach as far as you can. Maybe it's like this. But let's keep moving in a bit of a quick walking pace. And then switch hands. And just do as many as you feel you can. You could, so that's like a pop squat. Excuse me. But right now, this is the move for me. Getting that heat generated. And then just step out when you're ready and come on down. Bend the knees. Lower the back. Let it feel good. Embrace that strength. Watch the mind. When we can quiet that inner mind. Ooh, happy days. Really swing those arms. Should be getting that heart rate up. Feeling it. Good. Good. You are strong. You got this. Okay. Last one for me. Arms overhead. And sink down gently. Let's slow things down. Continue to build this wonderful mobility in our shoulders, the upper back. Bending the knees just a little bit, continuing with the leg strength. Connect to your breath and notice, once you start to pay attention to your breath, how much more quickly you recover. There might be a real secret to the ability to connect to your breath. They may have been teaching breath work for thousands of years. That's why I say we don't necessarily need new information. The good stuff seems to have been around for a long, long time. I can notice when I'm getting bit by mosquitoes, and I can just shoo them away. Goodbye, little mosquito. Go eat someone else. With just as much intention and focus, can we just go a little bit more quickly? course we can. Look to the sky, building that wonderful neck mobility. A couple more here. Oh, yes. How are you feeling today? I was feeling very stiff and sore and a little negative, to be honest with you. Not anymore. You showed up, you fired me up. We've completed another magical session, just daily, regular physical activity. Oh, hallelujah. Whew. Let's just take 20 seconds here. Notice the mind. Notice the inner energy that you possess, not letting anything outside of us affect what's going on the inside. And the connection to the breath. One breath is a meditation. Can make all the difference. Happy days. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you tomorrow. I am deeply unable to speak English. Deeply grateful to you. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.